I was looking at myself, I couldn't see my face, but deep down I knew it was true. Shadows handed me a question: if I ever lost you, what would I do? What would I do? Do 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 do. What would I do? Do 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 do. Woke up from my premonition, I couldn't feel your warmth, I couldn't find.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to another video with your girl. Today I have a really good, exciting one for you guys. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you have seen that I have done, these little sneak peeks of the balcony design, because we really have not been using it at all. So today is the reveal day. I'm gonna share you guys the process that I took to redesign it and show you the big outcome. I really think I did a really great job, so you might want to stay tuned for it. So this is the before video. I just want to show you guys how it looked. It was very lonely and very sad looking. All the paint that was there was just wearing away and chipping off, and there was really no seating besides that lonely looking chair. So yeah, not really functional and not very pretty. Next up, because I am a designer, I had to measure the whole space. So here I am just drawing the floor plan and elevations of the door and windows, just to make sure that the furniture that I pick can fit in the space. Okay, so my main goal for the floor plan was to keep it pretty open and not overcrowded, but still have some good functional seating. So on the left hand side, I wanted to do some sort of cool accent chair seating with the side table. And on the right hand side, I wanted to do some sort of L-shaped bench style with the rug to kind of separate that zone and kind of hide the floor a little bit, to be honest. And then of course, gotta add some greenery. Now, I did not add a coffee table or some sort of table by the bench style because, again, I wanted to keep it kind of minimal and open floor concept. And also, if you notice, the door swings into that area, so if I had some sort of furniture piece, it would budge into that, and I didn't want that. I did think about mirroring the whole floor plan, and I would be able to fit a coffee table, no problem. But then I thought about the person that is sitting in the accent chair, and if the door opens, it kind of hits them. So I didn't want to do that again because, I wanted to keep it very minimal, simple, and clean. I was going to cheat the painting a little bit and just kind of paint over the railing, but because the paint is chipping and it's peeling off, I think it makes sense to take off what I can to make it look nice. Because like these are good, but the top is peeling off, and I don't think it's gonna look nice when I paint it. So yeah. So I peeled off what I could. Guys, please don't judge me. Most of it that was peeling was just on the top, and it's just it's just so kind of hard to get off. So I might go and get some sandpaper to just get these little edges. It doesn't have to be perfect, so I'm okay with that. I'm gonna paint a little bit on the bottom too. So yeah, this is just the end result. Alright guys, so I finished painting the railings. My thumb is pretty sore from doing the brush strokes, but I'm going to show you guys how it turned out. So I ended up just painting the whole entire railing. because these middle strips were just kind of like fading, so I just wanted to give it a fresh coat. But it looks good so far. Got the white railings. That corner, I know I got some white paint on it, but I'm gonna end up repainting that the same color as the floor. But yeah, that is it. Okay, alright, so it's time to paint the floor, you guys. So my kind of tactic is I'm gonna start painting the edges, and then I'm gonna like obviously just start from this side.
I think I saw your face in the moon. I promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up, yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know. I hope that one day we'll be in love when you're not far away. You really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
I just want to show you guys the rug. Nice material. I love the pattern. It's a little lighter than I saw it online, because online it looked a little more darker, but you know, it's okay. It's a little charcoal gray.
When I go to sleep at night, lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night. I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah, without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fly, cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those.
Alright guys, so I got the bench and the chair assembled. I'm still waiting for one more. I need one more. And I think the next step is I'm gonna go buy some accessories and also add a little more plants, because we need some more greenery up in this birch. Excuse my French. But yeah, I'm gonna add some plants.
Butterflies when I go to sleep at night. When I go to sleep at night. Lonely, you're the.
Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of this design. Maybe it could be, you know, watching me assemble the furniture or painting, I don't know, but I'll be listing all the furniture that I used down below in the description box so you guys can go check it out. I'm gonna go enjoy this balcony, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye.
Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.